Hi, my name is Lloyd Davies and I'm the founder of MOZO Biz Apps, the makers of MOZO QS. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to use, edit and create inspection setups in MOZO QS. When you are performing an inspection with MOZO QS, you'll walk around the property adding rooms or locations to the inspection as you go. With MOZO QS, each time you add a location to an inspection, a list of plant and equipment is automatically added, so you can then just select the quantities and details that you need without having to add every item. If you're currently using an inspection job sheet or a checklist, then this is the electronic version of that. Now, to save you some time, we've already created several common locations in MOZO QS with a list of common plant and equipment items configured in the inspection setup. This means you can start doing your inspections in MOZO QS immediately. What I will show you now is how this is done and how you can change it and add to it in order to configure it for your inspection needs. So let's get started.
For this demonstration, I'm using the desktop version of MOZO QS, but you can also try this on your tablet device. Firstly, I will show you how the inspection setup is used when you are doing an inspection. For more detail on how to do an inspection, you can view our other video that covers this subject. I will start an inspection on this existing booked inspection of mine. I am adding a location of bedroom 1 to the inspection. Once I click OK, you can see that the plant and equipment for bedroom 1 is imported, resulting in a list of plant and equipment items for me to choose from. It is this list or template of items that I will show you how to create and modify to suit your requirements. To access the inspection setup, go to the second page of menu items on the dashboard and click on Inspection Setup. The list that appears shows all locations that have been pre-configured for use when you do an inspection. If we select bedroom 1, we can view the list of plant and equipment that was imported to the inspection when I added this location. The list only contains items that are relevant to the location being a bedroom, such as blinds, cooling, flooring, heating and lights. Whereas, if we close that and view the list of plant and equipment that is configured for a bathroom, we can see that this list is relevant to items that you may find there, including the exhaust fan, heated towel rail and spa bath pump. So how do we create and modify inspection location templates? As an example, I'm going to add a second ensuite location. I click on New to create a new record in the list. As each location needs to be unique, I'm going to call this ensuite 2. I am now opening the list of plant and equipment for ensuite 2, and you can see it is empty. Whether creating a new inspection setup location or modifying an existing one, there are 3 ways in which I can add plant and equipment items to the list. Firstly, I can just click on New and complete the category and the item. I can either select from the drop-downs or I can add a new category or item by just typing them in. Secondly, I can opt to import all items from one or more categories at once. To do this, I click on Import by Category and select the categories that I want to import. Don't worry if the item is already in the list, as only those that are not in the list will be added. Finally, I can just copy all items from an existing location into this one. Since each location in an inspection must have a unique name, this is great when creating multiples of the same location just with different names, as is the case here where we are creating a second ensuite record. For this I will copy from ensuite, and ensuite 2 is now just a replica of that location. So now, to complete the circle, I will add ensuite 2 to the inspection that I showed you at the start of this video. I click on Start Inspection, then click New and select ensuite 2. When I click OK, the plant and equipment are imported and you can now see we are able to perform the inspection in this location using the checklist that we just created.
So now you can see how easy it is to use the inspection setup to create the inspection checklists or job sheets that you require. If the pre-configured lists of locations, categories and items aren't exactly what you need, then you will now be able to modify them or create new ones all of your own. I hope that knowing how to use the inspection setup will help you to get the most out of MOZO QS. Please check out our other videos to learn more about MOZO QS. I'm Lloyd Davies. Thanks for your time.